What up, bro?
What up?
What up, bro?
What up?
Y'all thought it was a joke.
Ain't a joke.
Y'all thought it was a joke. Yeah, we were serious from the last video. Everything is out. Well, not everything, but the heart is out. The heart is out.
The artery's out.
And for everyone that guessed EK sedan, it is an EK sedan, a 2000 EK sedan. I'll get to showing you the car, but a moment of silence for this Em2 Es2.
Nah, fuck all that. Fuck a moment of silence, bro.
A moment ago.
Junkyard, coming soon. Near you.
But the motor is out. The other car is right there. Y'all probably can't see it. I'm gonna go outside and walk around it for a little bit. It's kind of sad to see this journey, all the time that we spent on this, the headaches, the runaround, the cuts, you know, everything that we've done so far is, I don't want to say it's in vain, but it's in vain.
You live and you learn, right?
You live and you learn, and you, yeah. But here's the motor, and here it is.
Nice rollers, though.
Here she is. 2000 is an actual 2000 Civic. It ain't no conversion or nothing.
It's a little rough around the edges, but
The only rough part is this fender that needs to go.
the front bumper, that's it.
Yeah. Pop the door.
Oh,
For the back door is open, so you could just open it and then open the front door. The interior is pretty mint, dude. Like,
just needs a little cleaner.
pretty mint. And for everyone that don't believe me, if you look right here, 06 2000, so it is an authentic 2000. The interior is pretty mint for what it is, you know. 124,000 miles. And hold up, I got something to show you. Stock single cam. The motor's coming out. They actually already have a buyer for this motor, so this motor should be going out sometime this week. And we'll clean up the bay. We'll actually wash the bay, because I'm trying to tell Emmer that I guarantee you 100% if we get this bay washed, like pressure washed and degreased and all that, you'll actually see how clean this bay is.
Facts.
So we'll start with that. You know, if we need a paint, we will paint, but we want to transform this car to something beautiful, bro. Like, this car is gonna, I want to say this car is gonna look way sexier than my car. Like,
Yo, he capping.
my shit trash, bro. My car trash. It's cool.
I'll look a little better than him like 4 years down the road, but for now.
Okay, yeah, all right, yeah, sure, okay, yeah. Give him like a few months, bro. The paint's already clean, dude. Like, even the roof. And this is a common issue with the EKs. I think it's a common Honda problem, where the roof, the clear likes to fade from the roof.
If I take care of it now.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what it is too? You can tell this car was already painted.
It was?
Yeah, look. You got a march right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
Somebody
So
did a little touch up on this.
They
car
did.
earlier down the road.
they did. But I mean, for the most part, the car's still clean. Most of what you're seeing is either like dirt, because it needs to be clean. The car was sitting for a while. And the price that we got it for, you want to tell them how much you got it for? Or not?
$600.
$600, bro.
It's not bad for a car that
Runs. You feel me?
Facts, bro.
So this is the project. As I said, the car is very clean for what it is and for what we got it for. The interior, the seats are dumb clean. You know, the interior, it just needs cleaning up, but we see the potential. And it's a DX. Wine up. And guess what? All of them are there. You don't see that anymore, dude.
All the door handles are there.
The door handles, but I'm saying the wind-up things, bro. You don't really see these. These normally go. They break them, they throw them out.
Facts.
They normally got like vice grips holding these, and that's no cap.
No, look at my Em2.
So yeah, bro, we're excited. I'm excited. We're gonna finish, you know, pulling that car down, the Em2, taking everything off. We might have a buyer for it, but they won't be getting the suspension because it's K-tune suspension. They won't be getting the hubs because it's a 36 mil hub, so everything was upgraded. They can't even use it, even if they wanted to put a single cam back in it. You feel me? So yeah, that's the plan. Another plug. Hit up Jason's channel, Prestige Motorsports. If you want to follow his build.
Got a badass build going on.
I don't know. Well, it's already out there. He's doing an all-wheel drive build on the EK sedan, and he's making it look stock as hell. So do us the favor. It's going to be in the drop-down box below, along with all the other homies. You know, EG Chris, Dre's Racing Channel, Alan Spec. Hit the drop-down box. Hit on Prestige link or Jason's link. Give him a follow. You know, go watch the build because it's very interesting. And also, if you need merch, hey, Kbros merch, hit me up on Instagram. You know what to do. All right, peace. All right, so we're gonna start stripping the stuff that we need. I think Jason's already gonna take out the shifter box. That's what he's doing, right? Taking out the shifter box with the cable, which you can see those two lines right here. That's the shifter cable. Oh, there you go. It's in the stock location. The good thing about this car was it's like an RSX and everything came through the same spot, so shifter box and cable's already out. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these 3 bolts so we can get the suspension off, and I guess when I'm done I'll pick the camera back up to see what's going on. Alright, we got the front end off. Front end is completely off right now. I'm just trying to do this real quick so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, it's completely off. We're gonna do the back of the car next. The first mod on the EK sedan is the little rear strip visor that we took off the Em2. Look kind of sick if you ask me. Yep. It's getting real and real every time you guys see the car, bro. It's getting real and real every time y'all see the car. We took everything out. I even took the RSX seats that we had installed. I don't even think I even told you guys that or even showed that we installed those seats, but I took them out and they're sitting right here. So yeah, we've been putting in work. The only thing left right now for us to do is to lift the back up, take the wheels off, and take the suspension off, and then we're done with the car. To be honest, everything that you see that we took off is literally right there and to the side. So
Somebody coming to pick up the front end?
yeah, someone's picking up the front end, and then we have a junker that's coming to pick the car up afterwards. So yeah, we live and we learn.
Thanks.
We live and we learn. Alright, y'all boys. Everything that we left in the car, we obviously don't need. What the hell is this?
That's from my old coilovers.
Yep. Everything we leaving, we don't need it. And it's getting real. No coilovers. Radiator. Spindle. We sold the front end. That's how real this is, bro. Everything's gone. Everything's on the floor. Fuel system, motor, everything. Clusters, everything out. Seats are out. Gone. Everything's gone. Stickers are off the car. So tomorrow this car will be gone to the junkyard, to its graveyard, unfortunately. But it is what it is, Firo. And we are moving on to a simpler but better project that we all know. And we know it works, and we know how to make it work. So yeah, I guess this is the last clip or the last look on the Em2, moment of silence. All right, yeah.